Scene script. Subscribe to Innovate Edge right now or risk the curse of a decade of bad luck. You've been warned. Now let's delve into the intriguing world of blockchain. Imagine, if you will, a public ledger. This is a book that records all transactions in a town, village, or even a whole country. Now imagine that this ledger is not kept by a single person or organization, but is instead distributed and maintained by everyone in the community. That's a rough sketch of what we call a blockchain. In more technical terms, a blockchain is a chain of blocks where each block contains a list of transactions. Every new transaction is added to a block, and once filled, this block is added to the chain, creating a permanent and unalterable record of that transaction. Now, let's bring in our analogy of a community garden. This garden is visible to everyone. You can see what's growing, who's planting, and even when they're doing it. But here's the catch. Only the person who planted the seeds can alter their plants. They're the only ones with the key to their plot. This is exactly how blockchain works. Just like the garden, every transaction in a blockchain is transparent. Everyone can see it, but only the individuals involved in the transaction have the keys to alter it. And once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be tampered with, just like a fully grown plant in our community garden. This combination of transparency and security is what makes blockchain so revolutionary. It's a system where trust is not placed in a single authority, but distributed among the participants. It's a system that provides unparalleled security against fraud and corruption. So in essence, a blockchain is like a community garden, transparent yet secure. Quite intriguing, isn't it? Now that you've an idea of what blockchain is, let's delve into the magic behind it. Imagine you're passing a secret note in class, but instead of writing it in plain English, you use a secret code. This, dear friends, is the heart of blockchain, a process known as hashing. In the realm of blockchain, hashing is our secret code, our cryptic language. It's a mathematical algorithm that takes input data of any size, churns it through a computational blender, and spits out a fixed-length string of characters. The beauty of it is, even a tiny change to the original data creates a completely different hash. Picture this. Let's say your secret note says, "Meet me at the library at 3. The hash of this might look something like gobbledygook 123, but change the time to 4, and the hash becomes flimflam 456. The hashes are so wildly different, it's impossible to guess the original message from the hash alone. That's the secret sauce of blockchain security. But that's not all. Each block in a blockchain contains its own hash and the hash of the previous block. It's like a chain of secret notes, each containing a reference to the note before it. If someone tries to alter a transaction in one block, it would change the hash of that block, and every block that comes after it. The longer the blockchain, the more secure it becomes. The brilliance of this is that it creates a self-auditing system. Every 10 minutes, all transactions are verified, cleared, and stored in a block which is linked to the preceding block, creating a chain. Hence the name, blockchain. So you see, the magic of blockchain is not pulled from a magician's hat, but from the world of mathematics and computer science. It's a system that ensures transparency, security, and integrity of data, without the need for a trusted third party. So, hashing is like a secret code that changes every time the original message is tampered with, ensuring the security of your data. Ever wondered what gives blockchain its power? The answer is decentralization. Imagine you're part of a group project. The usual method would be to have one person, say the group leader, who calls all the shots. This person decides who does what, keeps track of the work, and is the one who has the final say. This is a centralized system, much like many of the systems we interact with daily, such as banks, where a single authority has the power. Now, imagine a different scenario for your group project. Instead of one group leader, everyone in the group has an equal say. Everyone is responsible for keeping track of the work, and decisions are made collectively. This is a decentralized system, and this is the heart of blockchain technology. Decentralization is the act of distributing functions, powers, people, or things away from a central location or authority. In blockchain technology, decentralization means that no single entity has control. Instead, everyone participating in the network holds a copy of the entire blockchain and can validate transactions. Let's go back to our group project analogy. In a decentralized system, if one person makes a mistake, it doesn't compromise the entire project because everyone else is also keeping track. Similarly, in a blockchain, if one computer in the network were to fail, the system wouldn't collapse because many other computers hold the same information. This decentralization also enhances security. In the centralized group project, if the group leader is compromised, the entire project is at risk. However, in the decentralized model, even if one participant is compromised, the project remains safe because of the collective vigilance of the other members. Similarly, in a blockchain, it's nearly impossible for a hacker to alter the information because they would need to simultaneously hack thousands if not millions of computers. So, decentralization is like working on a group project where everyone has an equal say. Power to the people indeed. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrencies. Let's explore its diverse applications. Picture a Swiss Army knife. It's compact, yet it houses multiple tools, each serving a unique purpose. That's blockchain for you. Versatile, adaptable, and ready to revolutionize various sectors. In the world of finance, blockchain is a game changer. It eliminates middlemen, streamlines transactions, and offers a new level of transparency. Imagine being able to send money to anyone, anywhere, at any time, without any hefty fees or delays. That's the power of blockchain. It's like the sturdy blade of our Swiss Army knife, slicing through the red tape of traditional banking systems. Next, let's consider healthcare, an industry that's no stranger to data breaches and inefficiencies. Blockchain, like the handy screwdriver in our Swiss Army knife, can tighten up security and improve data management. Patient records can be stored securely on the blockchain, accessible only to authorized personnel. This could make data breaches a thing of the past. In the realm of supply chain management, blockchain can ensure traceability and accountability. It's like the nifty magnifying glass on our Swiss Army knife, providing a clear view of each step in the supply chain. From farm to fork, or factory to showroom, every transaction is recorded and verifiable. And let's not forget about voting systems. Blockchain could make voting more transparent, secure, and accessible. It's like the trusty pen in our Swiss Army knife, ready to mark your vote and secure it in an unalterable ledger. From the realms of real estate to intellectual property rights, blockchain is making waves, proving its versatility and adaptability in a myriad of sectors. It's not just a tool, it's a toolbox, ready to tackle a host of challenges with its varied applications. So, blockchain is like a Swiss Army knife, offering a multitude of solutions for various sectors. It's not just about cryptocurrencies, it's about creating a more transparent, efficient, and secure world. The future of blockchain looks promising, and here's why. Imagine a seed, tiny and unassuming, yet holding within it the potential to grow into a towering tree. Blockchain technology is much like this seed, currently in its early stages, but brimming with possibilities. As we move forward, we can expect to see blockchain technology permeating various sectors. Consider the financial industry, where blockchain could revolutionize how we conduct transactions, making them more secure, transparent, and efficient. Or the healthcare sector, where blockchain could enhance data security and patient privacy, while also improving access to medical records. Blockchain could also have a profound impact on governance, enabling a more transparent and efficient democratic process. The possibilities are as vast as the branches of a fully grown tree, spreading out in all directions, touching various aspects of our lives. So, like a seed with the potential to grow into a large tree, blockchain technology holds immense growth potential. Before we wrap up, we have someone special to acknowledge. Let's give a virtual round of applause to the prodigy, the genius, the CEO of Innovate Edge, Charles Chige Kariuki. His vision and passion for technology are what fuel the engine of innovation. His contributions to the tech field, particularly in the realm of blockchain, are unparalleled. He's the reason we can bring these enlightening videos to you. Now, if you've enjoyed this journey into the world of blockchain, then you're in for a treat. Innovate Edge is just the place to satisfy your tech cravings. So, why not become a part of our community? Subscribe to Innovate Edge, like our videos, share them with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to turn on all notifications. Remember folks, subscribe to Innovate Edge, like, share, and turn on those notifications. Let's continue our journey of exploring the tech world together. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.